Just take a slow breath in and let it go. And again, take a slow breath in and let it go, breathing out just a little bit longer. Let the jaw unclench, some separation between the back teeth. Let the shoulders drop and the breath soften. This signals safety to the nervous system. The breath giving you an immediate physiological shift. There's nothing to solve right now. Nothing for you to do. Just this moment. Calm is available to you anytime you breathe gently like this. You can even send the breath down to the tummy, breathing in for the count of 3, holding for a second, and breathing out for the count of 6, really letting go. Breathing in down to the tummy for the count of 3, and letting the breath go for the count of 6. Calm is available to you anytime you breathe like this. So take that slow breath in and let it go. Again, in and out. Just let the breath lengthen without forcing anything. Nothing to fix right now. Nothing to figure out. Nothing for you to do. Just breathing. Just letting the jaw unclench. Some separation between the back teeth. The shoulders dropping a little. Let the stomach move naturally with the breath. Your hands and arms can be heavy, supported. And as the body settles, the mind follows. Not because you force it, but because you let it. Your body is sending a new signal. Safe, slower, steady. Every exhale tells the nervous system it can stand down. No emergency, no threat, just this moment. And moments like this reset you. Tiny resets like this, done often, change everything. Let thoughts pass without wrestling them. They can move through like weather. You don't chase clouds. You don't argue with wind. You breathe and stay calm and relaxed, breath after breath. And in your mind, say these words: I'm allowed to pause. I'm allowed to reset. And again, I'm allowed to pause. I'm allowed to reset. Calm is not something you earn. It's something you return to. And you're returning now. Let the breath settle into its own rhythm. Nothing forced, nothing dramatic, just steady. Calm is available to you anytime you breathe like this. Anytime you wish. Calm is available to you anytime you breathe like this. Anytime. Calm is portable. Carry it with you. And when you're ready, gently deepen the breath. Small movements of the fingers and toes. And when you're ready, you can take a deep breath and open the eyes, bringing this reset with you.